Good morning, everybody. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ardianto, and I'm from class 11 MIPA. My number is 5, and now I studied in SMA Kayu Sudarso Batu. Today, I will describe my idol Mr. Joko Widodo. Enjoy! Insinyur Haji Joko Widodo, or the more familiar greeted Jokowi, born in Surakarta, Central Java, 20 June 1961. Aged 54 years, was the 7th President of Indonesia who took office on 20 October 2014. He was elected along with Vice President Yusuf Kala in the 2014 presidential election. Jokowi served as the Governor of DKI Jakarta since 15 October 2012 up to 16 October 2014, accompanied Basuki Cahaya, full known as Deputy Governor. Previously, he was the Mayor of Surakarta, Solo, since 28 July 2005 and ended on 1 October 2012, accompanied F.X. Hadi Rudiatmo as Deputy Mayor. The 2 years of his second period become the Mayor of Solo. Jokowi was appointed by his party, the Indonesian Democratic Party of Struggle (PDIP), to fight in the election of the Governor of DKI Jakarta to pair with Basuki Cahayapurnama, full known Ahok. Joko Widodo came from a simple family. In fact, his home was once condemned as much as 3 times when he was a child, but he was able to complete his studies in the Faculty of Forestry, University of Gadjah Mada. After graduation, he was practicing his profession as a furniture businessman. His political career began with being mayor of Surakarta in 2005. He is best known is considered successful after changing the face of Surakarta city, become a city of tourism, city of culture, and a city of batik. On September 20, 2012, Jokowi won the election in Jakarta. His victory reflects popular support for was considered a leader of the young and clean. Although he was more than 50 years since being elected as governor, his popularity continued to soar and became the spotlight of the media. As a result, emerging discourse to make a presidential candidate for the general election of the President of Indonesia 2014. In addition, the survey results indicate the name Jokowi continues to excel. At first, the General Chairman of the PDIP, Megawati Soekarnoputri, declared that he would not announce a presidential candidate of the PDI Perjuangan until after legislative election of 9 April 2014. However, on 14 March 2014, Jokowi received a mandate from Megawati to advance as a presidential candidate 3 weeks before the legislative election and 2 days before the campaign. Thank you.